Hello friends, continuation with the last part. Over here we are moving to question number 5 and the part is, here question number 5 is, in trapezium PQRS, side PQ parallel to SR, AR is equal to 5 times AP, AS is equal to 5 times AQ, then prove that SR is equal to 5 times PQ. Let us, whatever be part of a discussion which is coming in the form of question, we are trying to understand the same part from diagram point of view. So they have given PQRS is a trapezium. Now if PQRS is a trapezium, then simply we can understand one part, that they have given PQ is parallel to SR. Means here this side PQ and SR are parallel to each other. If AR is 5 times AP, AR this side is 5 times AP, ये इससे 5 times है. Next AS is 5 times AQ, ये उन्होंने दे दिया है, they are already given it. Then prove that SR is 5 times PQ, ये हमें prove करना है. So student, our first target is that सारा part triangle PAQ और RAS इस triangle से related sides है. Naturally, first of all, you have to show that these two triangles are similar. Now how? Try to understand. They have given PQ parallel to SR, PQ parallel to SR. Naturally, here either PR or QS, we can consider it as a transversal. If I am going to consider PQ is parallel to SR, PQ parallel to SR, and PR is act as a transversal, automatically angle QPA means this angle is exactly congruent to SRA means this angle, and simply these are nothing but alternate angles, means we can show that these two angles are congruent by alternate. Next, in the same way we can prove angle PAQ means this angle is exactly congruent to RAS, vertically opposite angle, because these two are vertically opposite angle, and we can show that these two triangles are similar by angle test. So we can have that part, that we can show that these two angles as a congruent angles. Now due to these two angles as a congruent with first to second triangle, then we can show that these two triangles are similar, means triangle PAQ is similar to triangle RAS by AA test of similarity. पहले ये पार्ट में लिखूंगा और आगे कंटिन्यू प्रूव करता रहूँगा. सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन टू द पार्ट ऑफ आंसर. फर्स्ट, नो डाउट यहाँ पे कोई स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है लाइक नंबर, स्टेटमेंट और रीजन, बट आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इन द सेम मैनर. सो स्टूडेंट प्लीज पे अटेंशन. If it is a theorem or if it is a numerical, please follow that structure when you are going to write the part. So here one by one. First, here we have a part that PQRS is a trapezium. PQRS is trapezium. दिया गया है इसलिए I am going to write it as a given. Next, they are also given PQ parallel to SR. PQ parallel to SR दिया गया है इसलिए given. So I am going to write the first part. If PQ parallel to SR, naturally angle QPA congruent to SRA. Therefore, angle QPA is congruent to angle SRA. I am going to give it as equation number 1 and reason alternate angles. Now I am going to show these two triangles as a similar. कौन से? Triangle PAQ and RAS, and I am going to show them similar by AA test जो मैंने डिस्कस किया था. So please pay attention over here. Second, in triangle PAQ and RAS, in triangle PAQ and in triangle RAS, फर्स्ट ये अल्टरनेट एंगल के बारे में लिख दूंगा, एंगल क्यू पी ए इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल आर एस आर ए, रीजन फ्रॉम वन, एंगल क्यू पी ए is congruent to SRA from 1 और also you can write alternate angles, वो हमने पहले लिख दिया इसलिए यहाँ लिखा नहीं। सेकंड एंगल PAQ is congruent to angle RAS and reason vertically opposite angles। Student, before writing this part, first of all you can draw the diagram of that part and then step by step try to understand the numerical. Naturally these two triangles are similar, means triangle PAQ is similar to triangle RAS by AA test of similarity. Now when two triangles are similar, then their respective sides as well as respective angles are congruent. Sides are in proportion and angles are congruent. फिलहाल हम लोग सिर्फ sides ले रहे which are proportions. So as these two triangles are similar, their respective sides are in proportion. So मैं third part try कर रहा हूँ and the part is, as these two triangles are similar, that we have proved, as triangle PAQ is similar to triangle RAS from 2, या फिर आप यहाँ पे इक्वेशन नंबर 2 लिख दीजिए, from 2, when two triangles are similar their respective sides are in proportion. So the part is one by one we can have as per given part. यहाँ पे उन्होंने given में AR, AP, AS, AQ, A को स्टार्ट में लिया है, सो मैं उसी को ले रहा हूँ. Once again observe the diagram. I would write AP upon AR is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to PQ upon SR. In this way I am going to write the part. So the part is AP upon AR, AP upon AR is equal to AQ upon AS, AQ upon AS is equal to PQ upon SR, and reason become corresponding sides of similar triangles. Just like VOA vertically opposite angle, हम इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिख सकते हैं, उसी तरह corresponding sides of similar triangle CSST ये हम लिख सकते हैं. AP, AR, AQ और AS, इसमें आप अल्टरनेटिव AR इज इक्वल टू 5 टाइम्स AP, यानी AR की वैल्यू दे रखी है. AR के लिए हमें वैल्यू दे रखी है 5 टाइम्स AP, यानी मैं AP एज इट इज लिख रहा हूँ एंड AR इज 5 टाइम्स ऑफ AP इज इक्वल टू AQ. अगेन दे हैव गिवन अ वैल्यू ऑफ AS. AS का वैल्यू उन्होंने दे रखा है 5 टाइम्स AQ, सो 5 टाइम्स ऑफ AQ इज इक्वल टू, ये रिलेशन पूछा है PQ और SR का. Now what exactly the part over here? They have given in terms of simplification. AP को कैंसिल करेगा, अगर AP ने नीचे के AP को कैंसिल किया तो ये बचेगा 1/5. सेम थिंग विल बी ओवर हियर. AQ ने AQ को कैंसिल कर दिया तो ये भी बचेगा 1/5 और PQ अपॉन SR एज इट इज है. PQ अपॉन SR एज इट इज है. चाहो तो ये 1/5 ले लो या ये 1/5 ले लो, दोनों ये किए हैं. हमें मिल चुका है 1/5 इज इक्वल टू PQ अपॉन SR. आप सिंपली इसका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट कर दीजिए, SR इंटू 1 SR एंड 5 इंटू PQ, दैट इज 5 PQ. सो SR इंटू 1 SR and 5 into PQ, that is 5 PQ. And in this way we can complete entire part, and this is the required answer or proof in terms of a numerical. Student, again please pay attention of writing pattern, that should be very systematically. और जहाँ पे अगर ये वैल्यूज़ आपने रिप्लेस की है नो डाउट दे हैव गिवन दैट इज ए आर इज 5 टाइम्स ए पी. अगर आपको लिखना है तो आप रीजन में ऐड कर सकते हो. ए आर इज इक्वल टू 5 टाइम्स ए पी गिवन. At the same time, they have given AS is 5 times AQ. AS is 5 times AQ given. And in this way, again, with the proper numbering, with the proper sequence, and in the group like number, statement, reason. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट ये लॉक या ग्रुप खाली रख देते हैं. You should be able to write it properly. And in this way, you can complete your question number 5. And remember, डायग्राम ऑफ क्वेश्चन 6 इज ऑल्सो सिमिलर. यानी फिर से हमें दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर दिखाने हैं. यानी ये पार्ट रिपीटेडली आ जाता है या बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल रिपीटेड फॉर्मेट के, तो आपको ये आइडियलिज्म क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए. नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल एंड द पार्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. इन ट्रेपेजियम ABCD साइड AB पैरेलल टू साइड CD, डायगोनल्स AC and BD intersect at point O. If AB equal to 20, DC equal to 6, OB equal to 15, then find OD. Now we are trying to understand same numerical from diagram point of view. They have given ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium. So they have given ABCD as a trapezium. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect each other at point O. If AB equal to 20, A to B is 20, DC equal to 6, OB equal to 15, O to B is 15, then find OD. Now again it is just like a previous type of a numerical. First of all, we have to show these two triangles as similar, and after that we have to compare the proportionate sides in terms of ratio. अगर हमें ये दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर दिखाने, यानी कौन से दो ट्राइंगल है? फर्स्ट इज ट्राइंगल COD और दूसरा ट्राइंगल है AOB. Again, if you want to show them as a similar, as they have given side AB parallel to side CD, in that case CA or AC act as a transversal, and we can say that angle C is congruent to angle A because these become alternate angle, or you can say that angle DCO is congruent with BAO because these are alternate angles. In the same manner, we can say that angle COD, this angle over here, is congruent to AOB, reason vertically opposite angle, and by this way we can show these two triangles as a similar. So first of all, we can show them as by AA test of similarity, these two triangles as similar. So first of all, I am going to write all that part over here. So please pay attention. So your first part, again I am going to keep the answer format like a number, statements and reason. So from our first part, here in triangle COD and AOB, in triangle COD and in triangle AOB, one by one, they are given CD parallel to AB. In a given, they are already given AB parallel to CD. They have given, so I am going to write reason as a given. Therefore, angle DCO is congruent with angle BAO, and reason become alternate angles. Next, angle COD is congruent with angle AOB, reason vertically opposite angles. Now, as these two angles are congruent with the next two angles of the second triangle, naturally we can say that therefore triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB by AA test of similarity of a triangle. AA test of similarity. Now when two triangles are similar, their respective sides are in proportion. So we are going to start that part. So here second, as triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB, one by one, from diagram point of view, we can write the part. First, CO upon AO, CO upon AO is equal to DO upon BO, DO upon BO is equal to CD upon AB, CD upon AB, and reason become corresponding sides of similar triangles. अब यहाँ पे फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड ये तीन पेयर या ग्रुप आने के बावजूद भी हमें इसमें से दो ही रिक्वायर्ड है. कौन सा, वो हमें गिवन डाटा से पता चल जाएगा. एंड वी हैव टू टेक द कंपैरेटिव. सो वंस अगेन फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट आई एम मूविंग टुवर्ड्स डायग्राम. एज पर देयर गिवन AB इज 20, यानी उन्होंने दे दिया है AB, इसको वैल्यू लेंथ में दे रखा है 20 यूनिट्स. CD 6, CD ये दे रखा है 6 यूनिट्स. नेक्स्ट OB 15, OB यानी ये हमें दे दिया है 15, यानी यहाँ से यहाँ तक. देन फाइंड CD, सॉरी देन फाइंड OD, OD यानी ये ढूंढने के लिए कहा है उन्होंने. नेचुरली वी हैव द सेम साइड्स एसोसिएटेड ओवर हियर. ये वैल्यूज हम गिवन में लिख देंगे तो हमारा पार्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा जहाँ तक हमने किया है. सो पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू ओवर हियर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल CO एंड AO ये हमें दिया ही नहीं गया है, पार्ट आगे का ही दिया गया है. DO ये हमें ढूंढना है या OD हमें ढूंढना है. सो पार्ट इज DO और OD वट एवर बी डिवाइड बाय BO, BO is 15 is equal to CD, this value of CD is 6 and value of AB is 20. Now हमें DO या फिर OD जो भी पार्ट दिया है वो ढूंढना है. सो आई एम राइटिंग DO is equal to 6 upon 20, 6 upon 20 इंटू ये 15 डिवाइड था उधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, ये 15 डिवाइड था उधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो इट बिकम 15. सिंप्लीफिकेशन में यहाँ कर रहा हूँ 6 इंटू 15. सो 6 इंटू 15 डिवाइड बाई 20. सो 20. फॉर मोर सिंप्लीफिकेशन यू कैन हैव 5 3 ज़ा 15, 5 4 ज़ा 20, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 3 ज़ा 6, यानी ये आएगा 3 इंटू 3 डिवाइड बाई 2. 3 इंटू 3 मीन्स 9 डिवाइड बाई 2. So it become 9 divided by 2 and 9 divided by 2 means 4.5. So either distance DO और OD जो भी उन्होंने पूछा है DO is equal to 4.5 और यूनिट्स हमें पता नहीं इसलिए मैं लिख रहा हूँ यूनिट्स. And in this way by proper presentation and in terms of calculation you can complete the part. Student यहाँ तक का पार्ट है जो प्रूफ के टाइप में आ जाता है और यहाँ से कैलकुलेशन है इसलिए लेस रीजनिंग है, लेकिन यहाँ तक के सारे पार्ट्स को आपको प्रॉपर रीजनिंग देते आने चाहिए. एंड अगेन राइटिंग इन अ सिस्टमेटिकल मैनर एज पर बोर्ड साइड. कुछ स्टेप्स मैंने यहाँ पे लिखे, आप आराम से नीचे लिखते जाइए एज पर योर पेपर एंड कंप्लीट द पार्ट. नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड द पार्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Point E is on side BC. Line DE intersect AB in point T. Prove that DE into BE is equal to CE into DE. Now we are trying to understand same question from diagram point of view. And the part is ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. Line DE intersect AB at point T. Prove that DE into BE, ध्यान दो स्टूडेंट, DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. मीन्स हमें जो पार्ट प्रूव करना है वो है DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. यानी ये सारे पार्ट D, B, C और TE ये इसी पार्ट से कनेक्टेड है. इसीलिए मैं इस डायग्राम में से सिर्फ वही पोर्शन साइड में ले रहा हूँ जो रिक्वायर्ड है, यानी जो प्रूफ से कंसर्न्ड है. एंड यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट D into B, D into B is equal to C into T। ये डायग्राम में से ये पार्ट बाहर निकालने का पर्पज ये है कि आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि नेचुरली हमें इन दो ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलर दिखाना है। इफ़ यू गोइंग टू शो दैट दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर देन डेफिनेटली वी कैन कंप्लीट द पार्ट। बट इन दोनों ट्राइंगल को अगर सिमिलर दिखाना है तो हमारे पास क्या पार्ट है या ऑप्शन है। एक पार्ट सिंपली आपको समझ में आ जाता है दैट वी कैन शो दिस टू ट्राइंगल एज सिमिलर बाय एनी पर्टिकुलर टेस्ट। इसमें आपके पास एंगल BET यानी ये एंगल एंड CED यानी ये एंगल रेडी है बिकॉज दिस टू आर vertically opposite angle. Now, as per their condition, they have given ABCD as a parallelogram. If ABCD is a parallelogram, then opposite sides are parallel, means AB parallel to this CD. If AB parallel to CD, then we can say that naturally AB is get extended up to T, means it is a straight line. Automatically BT, or you can say AT. Here AT or you can say BT is also parallel to CD. In that case, this line means TD will be act as a transversal, or you can say BC will be act as a transversal anyway. And if you going to take TD as a transversal, then we can say that angle ATD means this angle over here is congruent with CDT over here. बिकॉज दीज आर नथिंग बट अल्टरनेट एंगल, यानी हमें ये दो एंगल भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट मिल जाएंगे जो हम यहां पे यूज कर सकते हैं। नेचुरली वी कैन शो दैट ट्राइंगल BET इज सिमिलर टू CED बाय AA टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी, एंड इफ दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर नेचुरली वी कैन प्रूव दैट द रिस्पेक्टिव कोरिलेशन बिटवीन द साइड्स। यहाँ से जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है या फिर यहाँ पे से जो मॉडिफिकेशन करके एक्सप्लेन किया है मैं लिखना शुरू कर रहा हूँ। स्टूडेंट वंस अगेन फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द डायग्राम, अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट, फर्स्ट ड्रॉ द डायग्राम, अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट एंड देन वी आर मूविंग ओवर हियर एंड दिस टू एंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट बिकॉज वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल। यानी अगर आपको रेफरेंस यहाँ से लेना है तो आप यहाँ से ले लो, या फिर रेफरेंस यहाँ से लेना है तो ये, क्योंकि आंसर लिखते समय हमें इसी डायग्राम पे फोकस करना है। दैट्स व्हाई आई कनेक्टेड दिस ओवर हियर। इसी डायग्राम का कुछ पार्ट यहाँ ड्रॉ किया गया है, दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ व्हाट। So first draw the diagram and then observe the writing part. So moving to the part over here. So starting from, as they are given, ABCD is a parallelogram. So ABCD is parallelogram. They have given, so I am writing it as given. Naturally we can say that AB is parallel to CD, therefore side AB is parallel to side CD, opposite sides of parallelogram, opposite sides of parallelogram. That's why we can write AB को ही एक्सटेंड बना के AT किया गया है, therefore मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ side AT is also parallel to side CD. Why? Because AB is extended up to T, means AB or AT is a straight line, B is in between A and T. So we can have angle ATD, angle ATD is congruent to angle CDE, and giving it as equation 1 and reason, alternate angles. Now this condition I am going to use it for second part. अब second part में हम जो एक्सप्लेन करेंगे वो इन दोनों ट्राइंगल के बारे में है। सो एक बार ट्राइंगल को ढंग से ऑब्जर्व कर दो। जिस तरह यहाँ T और D ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट आ गया है, उसी का रेफरेंस मैं यहाँ पे ले लूँगा। ये डायग्राम अलग से ड्रॉ किया है ताकि आपको आराम से समझ में आए। इन ट्राइंगल BET एंड इन ट्राइंगल CED, first we can write BET is congruent to CED, reason vertically opposite angle. Next angle BTE is congruent to CDE, reason alternate angle from equation 1. Therefore triangle BET similar to CED by AA test of similarity, and as these two triangles are similar we can write about sides. So once again pay attention over here. So the part is in group 2, in triangle BET and in triangle CED, one by one, angle BET is congruent to angle CED. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Next, angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE, either from one or alternate angle. From one, alternate angles. Therefore, triangle BET is similar to triangle CDE. BET similar to CED by AA, test of similarity. Now, when two triangles are similar, their respective sides are in proportion. So we are taking only that side which is required for us. As per their condition, we need DE, BE, CT and TE. तो मैं वही साइड ले रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे लिखते समय फर्स्ट आ जाएगा BE फ्रॉम दिस ट्राइंगल BE, तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा CE इज इक्वल टू, नेक्स्ट रिक्वायर्ड है हमें TE, सो TE तो सेकंड ट्राइंगल से आ जाएगा DE. तीसरा भी एक साइड का पेयर है पर वो हम लेंगे नहीं क्योंकि हमारे आंसर में इतना ही रिक्वायर्ड है. So writing the reason, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now simply you have to do cross product. DE into BE. So it becomes DE into BE is equal to CE into T, and this is our required answer. सो स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे तीसरा भी पेयर था जो हम ले सकते थे, लेकिन ट्राइंगल का हमने थर्ड पेयर नहीं लिया है क्योंकि हमारे आंसर में यही साइड से रिक्वायर्ड थे. सो यू कैन सिलेक्ट द रिस्पेक्टिव पार्ट. थर्ड पार्ट लिख भी लिया तो आगे करते समय इन दो पेयर का प्रोडक्ट कर लीजिए. एंड इन दिस वे यू कैन कंप्लीट योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. नाउ मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 एंड द पार्ट इज इन फिगर सेगमेंट AC and BD intersect each other in point P and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Prove that triangle ABP similar to triangle CDP. Try to understand same question from diagram point of view. They have given first AC, BD both intersect at P and this AB and CD is joined by which two triangle get formed, APB and second is CPD. As per their given condition, we have to show that these two triangles are similar. But for that part they have given AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. उन्होंने खुद दिया है AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. And also we know that as AC and BD intersect each other in P, naturally this angle APB is congruent with CPD because these two become vertically opposite angle. Now one pair of angle is congruent and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP they have given. Naturally these two triangles are similar by side angle side test of similarity, and in this way we can show these two triangles as a similar. So the part is, this proof is very short. Students, they have directly given all the part. So directly within 3 or 4 lines this answer is going to get complete. So part, in triangle ABP, in a triangle ABP and in triangle CDP, first part, angle APB is congruent to angle CPD. Reason, vertically opposite angle. And they have given a part AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. They have given AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. They have given, so I am writing it as a given. Naturally you can say that, therefore triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP by SAS, test of similarity of triangle. And in this way, within 3 or 4 lines, we are going to complete it. Rather, answer is short, but still you should know technical reasons or logical reason behind that. And in this way, you can complete the part. Now, moving to the next question, and the part is question number 9. In figure, in triangle ABC, point D is on side BC. Point D is on side BC is such that angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Now we are trying to understand same question from diagram point of view. In triangle ABC, D is in between B and C. They have joined AD, by which there are 2 angles. One is angle BAC, means this angle A, equal to angle ADC, means this angle. Then prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD, CB into CD. स्टूडेंट, जब आप ये डायग्राम एट अ टाइम देखते हो तो बहुत सारे कंफ्यूजन हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज देर इज अ एंगल ए एंड देर इज अ एंगल डी एंड दे हैव गिवन इट एज अ कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सो द फर्स्ट एंड मेन पार्ट इज दैट प्लीज ड्रॉ बोथ द ट्रायंगल सेपरेटली so that you can understand how to show that triangle as a similar and how to prove the part. इसलिए इस एक डायग्राम को मैं 2 सेपरेट कंटेंट डायग्राम में आइसोलेट कर रहा हूं. सो द पार्ट इज, नाउ फ्रॉम मेन डायग्राम आई हैव कन्वर्टेड इट इनटू 2 डिफरेंट ट्रायंगल डायग्राम सो दैट एवरीवन कैन अंडरस्टैंड अ पार्ट. फर्स्ट इज दे हैव गिवन BAC यानी एंगल A. सो BAC मीन्स दिस एंगल A is congruent to angle ADC. so ADC, इसीलिए तो मैंने ये दोनों ट्रायंगल सेपरेट कर लिए थे. नेक्स्ट, these 2 angles are congruent because they have given. ये दोनों एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है क्योंकि उन्होंने खुद दिया है. एंड अगेन इफ यू ऑब्जर्व फ्रॉम द मेन डायग्राम, either you can call angle ACB or you can call ACD. both the way C angle is a common, यानी इन दोनों केस में ये C एंगल कॉमन होने वाला है. क्लियरिंग इट फ्रॉम हियर, यहाँ पे जो एंगल C है और यहाँ पे जो एंगल C है ये दोनों एक ही है. नेचुरली यू कैन से दैट फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल इज सिमिलर विद सेकंड ट्रायंगल बाय AA टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलरिटी. अब यहाँ पे आपको मार्किंग का एडवांटेज लेना पड़ेगा. सो हियर आई कैन मेक अ सिंपली डॉट एंड डॉट फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. वन बाय वन, एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल D, एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल D दिया गया है. एंगल C इक्वल टू एंगल C, कॉमन एंगल. Then in that case you can say triangle BAC. here sequence is important. मैंने स्टार्ट किया B डॉट और क्रॉस, तो यहाँ पे भी आएगा नथिंग डॉट क्रॉस. जैसे यहाँ पे लिया है नथिंग डॉट क्रॉस, तो ये आएगा नथिंग डॉट क्रॉस. सो ट्रायंगल BAC is similar to triangle ADC by AA test of similarity. और जैसे हम ये 2 ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दिखा देंगे, we'll take the respective side and we'll get the answer. So observe this part, first draw the diagram and then observe the answer. So the answer is first. Now I written separate triangle, so starting from that part only. In triangle BAC and ADC, in triangle BAC and in triangle ADC, आप दोनों भी डायग्राम कंबाइन देखने जाओगे डायरेक्टली यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज. आइसोलेटेड डायग्राम इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. सो इन ट्रायंगल BAC एंड इन ट्रायंगल ADC, फर्स्ट एंगल BAC इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल ADC दिया गया है इसलिए गिवन. नाउ सेकंड पार्ट, एंगल BCA is congruent to angle ACD. Reason, common angle or same angle. I'm giving the reason as common angle. Therefore, we can say that triangle BAC similar to ADC. Therefore, triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC by AA, test of similarity. Now, we are successfully able to show that these two triangles are similar. If triangle BAC similar to ADC, when two triangles are similar, their respective sides are in proportion. और लेते समय हम वही साइड लेंगे जो आंसर में पूछे गए, जैसे CA स्क्वायर, यानी CA यहाँ से भी लेना पड़ेगा और CA यहाँ से भी, एंड CB and CD. Here this marking is going to help you. Nothing dot cross. ये marking आपको help करेंगे. So one by one, if I am going to write AC from this, or you can say CA, because in answer it is written as CA. If I am going to write CA, then automatically I have to write upon CD. तो ये आ जाएगा CA upon CD is equal to, अगर यहाँ से ये साइड लेता हूँ CB means cross nothing, तो यहाँ से भी मुझे लेना होगा cross nothing means CA. And simply if I am going to do cross product without taking third side, then I will get that answer. So writing that part over here. So second, this part as triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC, either from this one or you can give it as a number 1, and यहाँ पे आराम से लिख दो from 1. Therefore CA, फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल से मैंने लिया है CA, तो सेकंड ट्रायंगल से आएगा अपॉन CD इज इक्वल टू, जब फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल से मैं लूँगा CB तो ये आ जाएगा CB, ऑटोमेटिकली सेकंड ट्रायंगल से आ जाएगा CA. थर्ड पेयर ऑफ साइड भी है लेकिन मैं वो लूँगा ही नहीं क्योंकि वो मेरे आंसर में रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है, और इन दोनों के लिए रीज़न दूंगा करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स. नाउ यू हैव टू सिंपली डू अ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट CA इंटू CA, तो ये आ जाएगा CA इंटू CA इज इक्वल टू CB इंटू CD. सो CD इंटू CB, और यू कैन राइट CB इंटू CD एज पर आंसर. CA इंटू CA इट बिकम CA square, like x into x square. In the same way, CA into CA, I have written CA square is equal to CB into CD, CB into CD, and this is our final answer. And in this way, we are going to complete the part. And by this way of completing this numerical, we have completed entire exercise 1.3. Now, moving to the next theorem, and the part is theorem. Now we are going to observe one theorem called as theorem of area of similar triangle. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. Now what is exactly this theorem? Try to understand step by step. First statement, theorems. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Now ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Now this is the main logical meaning to be taken into consideration. Means as per their condition, there are two triangles, they are similar, and then we have to prove the condition given by them. For this part, we are going to draw a diagrammatical structure and step by step clearing some points. So from this reference, I am going to draw two triangles and they have given that these triangles are similar. Let us say for the first triangle, I am going to call it as a triangle ABC, and second triangle as triangle PQR. So these are given as a similar triangles. So first triangle is triangle ABC and second is triangle PQR. So here part is, if two triangles are similar, then one by one this part will become as a given. Along with that, some additional parts are also get added over here. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then our angle A will be equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. Means angle A equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Here I can make also angle A and P, so I some marking, but this is a required only part that I am going to highlight over here. Means when two triangles are similar, their respective angles are congruent and sides are in proportion. So from this reference we are writing one by one given and all other part. So according to this condition, our given become triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now here we have angle A equal to angle P, angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. In book, theorem is somehow represented in a different manner. I am going to write it in some different manner. They have directly given heights over there, but it is not mentioned over here, so I am going to write that part in construction. So once again, here they have given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Naturally, all the three angles of first triangles are congruent with all the three angles of second triangle. Now, according to diagram, what exactly we have to prove? So the second part become to prove. So as per their statement, when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangle is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Naturally, if you want to take the ratio of area in terms of two triangles, means as per diagram, ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, this ratio is equal to square of corresponding sides. So the sides will be AB square upon PQ square, AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Once again, why I have written this? Try to understand it over here. As per the condition, two triangles are similar, means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then we have to prove that ratio of area of triangle, means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to square of their corresponding sides. Now AB is a corresponding sides with PQ. Next, BC is corresponding to QR, and third, AC corresponds to PR. Naturally, we have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Now, whenever we are going to take two triangle in terms of area, then our simple formula is half into base into height. Every triangle have a base, but we don't have any height. So we are going to draw additional part, which in case of a book they have directly given. So here I am going to draw extra part. So I am going to call it as a construction. आप इसे construction में भी लिख सकते हो और given में भी. Now what is exactly that part? First of all, I am going to draw one perpendicular from A and I am going to call it as AD. I am keeping the nomenclature same as like a book. So AD will be perpendicular to BC. And second, for triangle PQR, I am going to draw one perpendicular over here and I am going to call it as a S. ये गिवन में था नहीं, हमने बाद में ड्रॉ किया है, इसलिए मैं इसे लिख रहा हूँ कंस्ट्रक्शन में. बुक में इसे गिवन में ही लिख दिया है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द पार्ट ऑफ मॉडिफिकेशन, दैट इज नथिंग बट कंस्ट्रक्शन. So here AD is perpendicular to base BC, or we can say draw AD perpendicular to base BC, and second PS perpendicular to QR. ये हमने बाद में ड्रॉ किया है, इसलिए मैंने इसे कंस्ट्रक्शन में लिख दिया है. बुक में इसे डायरेक्टली यहाँ गिवन में ही लिख के दे दिया है. यू कैन ऐड इन बोथ द वे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अ प्रूफ. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट प्रूफ. Now definitely we have to write the proof in the form of number, statement, reason. But as this part I have written over here, observe it very carefully, because as you see that there is no space availability over here. So I am going to rub entire part except the diagram. I am just going to write to prove that part over here and entire proof below of that. So first observe it very carefully, draw the systematically diagram and then observe the second part. As we have rubbed first part and starting a modification in terms of proof. So the part once again, observe the diagram. We know that we have first triangle ABC and triangle PQR. They have given it as a similar. Next, in construction we have drawn AD perpendicular to BC and PS perpendicular to QR. Means logically we can call BC as a base, then AD become height, and QR as a base, then PS become height. Why? Because we have tried the ratio of area of two triangle, means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Nothing but base into height of first triangle, means BC into AD, and second QR into PS, that is nothing but base into height of second triangle. Student, first of all draw the diagram and then observe over here. So taking observation and writing part over here. So the part is first area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to base into height of first triangle. So base is BC into height is AD divided by base into height of second triangle, that is PQR. So base is QR into height is PS. It become base into height of first triangle divided by base into height of second triangle. Now dividing base by base, writing into and dividing height by height. So it look like BC upon QR, BC upon QR into AD upon PS, AD upon PS. And in this way, base of first triangle divided by base of second triangle into height of first triangle divided by height of second triangle. अब हम लोगों ने ये सेपरेशन या आइसोलेशन क्यों किया है? ताकि हम हमारे प्रूफ की ओर मूव होते रहे. इन दैट केस दिस BC अपॉन QR, आगे जाके हमें इसका स्क्वायर करना है, यानी इसे हटाना है और यहाँ पे भी BC अपॉन QR आना चाहिए. लेकिन कैसे? इन दैट केस अगेन वी हैव टू टेक अ पार्ट ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल. व्हाट इज दैट? प्लीज ऑब्जर्व फ्रॉम अ डायग्राम. नाउ फ्रॉम मेन डायग्राम इन टर्म्स ऑफ एरिया आई एम मूविंग इनटू सब पार्ट ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल. मीन्स इन ट्राइंगल ABC अब मैं लेने जा रहा हूँ सिर्फ ADB, और ट्राइंगल PQR में से सिर्फ PSQ ये पार्ट लेने जा रहा हूँ. वाई? प्लीज पे अटेंशन. वी हैव टू ट्राई टू शो दैट ट्राइंगल ADB is similar to PSQ. How? Pay attention. From given condition we know that angle B equal to angle Q, corresponding angles of similar triangles, and angle D means angle ADB is exactly equal to PSQ means angle S, each 90 degree. Naturally triangle ADB is similar to PSQ by AA test of similarity, and this part I am going to write it over here. So the part is second, in triangle ADB and in triangle PSQ, one by one part is angle ABD is congruent to angle PQS, reason corresponding angles of similar triangles, or also we have written it in a given, both the way you are part. Second, angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ, and reason become each 90 degree because they are perpendicular. Naturally we can say that triangle ADB similar to triangle PSQ, therefore triangle ADB is similar to triangle PSQ, and reason become by AA test of similarity. Now when two triangles are similar, their respective sides are in proportion. So we are writing a ratio in terms of height and a side. What is that? Here, as these two triangles are similar, I am going to write AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. So mentioning that part, therefore AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. I am going to give it as equation number 1, and reason remains same, corresponding sides of similar triangles. अब हमारा ये जो पार्ट है ये हमें फिर से लगने वाला है, इसलिए मैं इसे इक्वेशन 1 कर रहा हूँ और इसे एडिशनल डेफिनेटली 2 कर दूंगा, so that step by step we can use the part over here. Now we are able to reach up to second step or step 2 in terms of equation part. AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. Now, how to use it in case of this part of a proof? So again, we have to understand some additional part. In this case, also we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, as triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We are written in given, so I am going to write it as given. Naturally, we have AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. BC upon QR. I am going to call it as equation number 2 or next, that is 3, and reason corresponding sides of similar triangle over here. Now please pay attention what exactly logic you are getting. First case, AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ is AD upon PS from equation 2, and in the same part AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So BC upon QR. Here as AB upon PQ remains same, we can write AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR from equation 2 and 3. So I am writing that part. So from 2 and 3 or equation 2 and 3, we have AD upon PS. AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR is equal to BC upon QR. This is another value that we are able to get. AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR. I am going to call it as equation number 4 और वैल्यू नंबर 4. अब हमने ये क्यों ढूंढा ये समझ लीजिए. दिस वैल्यू जो है AD अपॉन PS, AD अपॉन PS इज इक्वल टू BC अपॉन QR, ये जो इक्वेशन 4 की वैल्यू है हम ये उठा के यहाँ पे रखने वाले हैं. मीन्स इन इक्वेशन 1 वी आर गोइंग टू पुट AD अपॉन PS इज इक्वल टू BC अपॉन QR. ये जो वैल्यू है वो हम यहाँ पे रखने वाले हैं AD अपॉन PS की जगह. Now we know that the first condition area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR, और यहाँ से हम AD upon PS हटा के लिखेंगे, AD upon PS हटा के लिखेंगे BC upon QR. So BC upon QR will become over here. So third part, put value of equation 4, put value of equation 4 in equation 1. Then we have area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to part A BC upon QR into AD upon PS. लेकिन हम AD upon PS के बजाय लिखेंगे, AD upon PS के बजाय लिखेंगे BC upon QR, BC upon QR. So BC into BC, that become BC square, and QR into QR, it become QR square. If it is true for one pair of side, definitely it is true for other two sides also, because BC upon QR ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर या BC स्क्वायर अपॉन QR स्क्वायर हो रहा है तो रिमेनिंग टू साइड्स का भी स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. Therefore we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR for all three sides in the form of side square. आपका मिडिल है BC अपॉन QR स्क्वायर, सो ये है BC स्क्वायर अपॉन QR स्क्वायर. सिमिलर उसके प्रोपोर्शनेट साइड है AB स्क्वायर अपॉन PQ स्क्वायर, और थर्ड है AC स्क्वायर अपॉन PR स्क्वायर. एंड इन दिस वे यू कैन कंप्लीट द फाइनल पार्ट. And in this way you can complete entire proof. Again, this proof is already available in your textbook, but logic should be very clear from your point of view. And also you can create group 1, group 2, group 3 like that way. It look very systematical and proper. And this is nothing but ratio of area of two similar triangle theorem.